follow the crew instructions and go to the nearest exit。緊急情況下，逃生路線嘅照明系統會自動亮起。請遵照機艙服務員嘅指示到最近嘅逃生出口。Our crew are pointing out the exits now。機艙服務員正為你指示逃生出口。It is important to leave your baggage when you evacuate. Carrying baggage will block the aisle. Baggage and high heel shoes may damage the slide。逃生時，請將行李留下。攜帶行李會阻塞逃生通道。行李同高踭鞋亦可能損壞逃生滑梯。Please take a look at your safety card for what to do in the likely event of an emergency。請查閱你嘅安全指示卡，了解緊急事故嘅逃生程序。Now that we are almost ready for takeoff, make sure that your hand baggage and tray table are put away. Your seat should now be in the upright positions and your seatbelt fastened。我哋即將起飛，請確保你嘅手提行李同接台已經收好。請將椅背校直同扣好安全帶。Finally, please enjoy the journey。最後祝各位旅途愉快。Cabin crew pick up check please。